Good morning. Thank you for calling Ron Restaurant. My name is Ron Lloyd Indy. How may I help you? I will be happy to assist you with your reservation. Could you please tell me who will be using this reservation? When would you like to book your reservation, Miss Carla? A table for how many person, please? Do you have any special requests? May I have your number, please? Can you please tell me the exact time of your arrival? Alright, ma'am, let me just verify if I got all the information correctly. I received a reservation table for 2 persons this coming February 11, 2025 at 7 p.m. And this reservation under by your name, Miss Carla May Calianda. And your contact number is 0908-259-7850. And the time arrival is 6:50 p.m. Hello, good evening. Welcome to Grand Restaurant. Here is our menu, sir. Excuse me, sir. Can I take your order?
Oh, yes. For my appetizer, can I get a butternut squash? And for my salad, baby kale greens. Course, and my main course, pork tenderloins. And for my dessert, honey yogurt panna cotta.
May I repeat your order, sir? For appetizer, you ordered butternut squash. And for salad, you ordered baby kale greens. And for main course, you ordered pork tenderloins. And for dessert, you ordered honey yogurt and panna cotta.
That's all.
Okay. Excuse me, sir. Here's your butternut squash. Excuse me, sir. Can I take your soy plate? Excuse me, sir. Here's your order for salad, baby kales green. Excuse me, sir. Can I take your soy plate? Excuse me, sir. Here's the order for main course, pork tenderloins.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Can I take your soy plate?
Thank you.
Thank you. Excuse me, sir. Is there anything else that I can offer you with?
Is your Maria Clara wine available?
Yes, sir.
Can I have one order, please?
Okay. Here's your wine, sir. This wine is called Maria Clara. Maria Clara Sangria is a delicate red wine with character and hint of sweetness and a light drink. Enjoy it anytime. This product is from the Philippines. Excuse me, sir. Here's your bill. I received 2,000 pesos. Thank you for choosing Grand Restaurant. Have a great day.